What's up guys, Alec here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I got my accounts unbanned. And when I say accounts, I got 2 accounts unbanned. Now this is going to be a bit of a story time, but I'm going to show you exactly what I did and the emails that I got and everything that happened basically. So the story first starts a couple of years ago when I had just got a new username on Instagram, which was HYPB. This account was brilliant because I thought the username looked like Hypebeast basically. And I was like, right, I'm going to start like a Hypebeast page, a fashion page on Instagram. So I started doing it and I started growing it a lot. And I had it for a few weeks and it got banned. Now, the reason it got banned was, I'm not 100% sure. There were 2 reasons. I was using follow liker on it, but the limits were so low. I'm struggling to see how it could have happened with follow liker, but you never know because follow liker is against the terms of service. And I was also getting power likes pushed to that page, which were doing the page wonders, I just want to say. But this account got banned, and back in 2018, getting an account back that was banned was really tricky or really hard. Like I tried back then because I remember I was so gutted. Like if I had this page now, it would be like 200,000 followers. I was so gutted back when it got banned. And the other day I was just going through all of my old Instagram accounts because I've got a spreadsheet with hundreds, and I just checked this account's Gmail, and I don't know why I never noticed, but I actually got an email back from them, and I'm going to show you this email right now. So I'm just going to go on to my computer, and basically I got this email. As you can see, the date is the December the 2nd, 2018, and it said, "Thanks for contacting us. Before we can help you, we need to confirm that you own this account. Please reply to this email and attach a photo of yourself holding a handwritten copy of the code below." There's the code. And then it just says, "Please make sure that the photo you send includes the above code handwritten on a clean sheet of paper, followed by your full name and username. Includes both the hand that is holding the sheet of paper and your entire face. Is well lit and not too small, dark or blurry, and then is attached to your reply as a JPEG file." Now bear in mind, even this account doesn't include any pictures of you, you still need to send a picture of yourself, even if there's no pictures of you basically. So they sent that to me, and then a month ago, so 2 years later pretty much, or a year and a half later, or a year and 2 months later, for those who want to be precise, a year and 2 months later, I was like, oh, what? I can maybe get this account back. So this is what I sent. I just sent this picture of myself. Let's see if I can zoom out. Yeah, I sent this picture. And all right, miracles happen, guys, because if I go back, reset this, if I go to the next tab, I got this email. So when did I send it? Right, I sent this on the 24th. I wasn't expecting anything to come from this. On the 26th of February, 2 days later, I got this email: "Hi, your account has been reactivated and you should be able to access it now. We're sorry for any inconvenience. If you have any further questions, please visit the help center." And my mind was blown, right? Because back then, I remember I got sent in a loop so many times trying different things, but it's just I hadn't seen the actual email that they had sent me. So I now have this account again. And I just want to show you, before I show you the second account and the scenario, let me just screen record on my phone. This is what would happen back when I was trying to log into my account. Here you can see, right, I know for a fact that this Instagram account is banned. So when I do login, and this would happen back when I lost my other account, when I click on login, it says your account has been disabled for violating our terms. Learn how you can maybe be able to restore that account. And I'm pretty confident, right, that this message wasn't here 2 years ago, but this is how you reactivate your account now. And I do want to mention though, if you did severely violate the Instagram terms of service multiple times or whatever, you might not necessarily get it back. But if I'm pretty sure it's an accident, this is how you do it. Try and log in, you click on learn more, and then down here, right, you go, if you think it was a mistake, please let us know. So you click on please let us know. Once you've done that, you got to then at the bottom either say that your account represents a business product or a service or not. So you click either the yes or the no, depending on what it was. Most of the time it's going to be personal. You fill out all these details and then you click send, right? And then Instagram is going to get back to you. It can take a while for them to get back to you, depending on how many requests they're getting, things like that. But like I said, I never actually saw the email. Now, before I show you the second scenario, I just want to show you real quick, here's the account. So as you can see, if I scroll down, if I make it back to this one, so this one, again, posted, and I'm really gutted because the page was about to take off. So 35 comments, as you can see, they're like all related to the post. 1,281 likes, 250 of those were power likes, but you know, we're doing really well. Now let me show you the second scenario. So again, I'm just going to go quickly back to my computer. I got an email back this time and they said, it looks like you contacted us for help with a different Instagram account. To make sure we're helping the right person, we're only able to help you with one account at a time. Now I'm not too sure why this is, but it could have been because I contacted them recently about the HYPB account. It says, if you're having trouble with any other account, please try and log in, blah, blah, blah. So I basically just replied to this email. I said, this is the message I'm getting for my account at ACW, which is my new username. But it wasn't yet moved over to my account. If you want to hear about that story as well, by the way, please let me know in the comment section below. I think it'd be a pretty interesting story to share, how I got my new username. But this is the picture I sent. So I literally took a screenshot. It said, error, no users found. This time I didn't know what to do. So it wasn't the same as what I've just shown you on my phone. So this time I didn't know what to do. So I can't remember exactly what I did. Either I did need more help, and then somehow you still find the help center on Instagram, the same bit I just showed you, you can like let them know that your account's been hacked or whatever. So I think I went through that. I said, this is the email that was used, but you can see apparently my account doesn't exist anymore, please help. So I don't know why my account got banned or didn't exist anymore, but I think it's because there's multiple reasons, right? First of all, it was a 3-letter username, or it is a 3-letter username. So when it got banned, I think it was due to, one, people reporting it because they wanted to have the account themselves. Like you could mass report accounts, which is kind of scary. 2, because it wasn't yet moved onto my actual personal account. It could have been that there wasn't enough, or it was deemed inactive. Someone reported it inactive, so they deleted it. Or 3, because it was a purchased account, which is against Instagram's terms of services. You're not allowed to like buy and sell accounts. So Instagram, if you're watching this, you didn't see anything. So yeah, I sent that email and then I got this reply. It looks like your account has been disabled. We disable accounts that don't follow our terms of use. Actions that are against our terms include continued prohibited behavior after receiving a warning or multiple warnings from Instagram, which I didn't get. Unsolicited contact with others for the purpose of harassment, advertising, blah, blah, blah. Nope. Impersonation of an entity or misrepresentation of identity. No. Posting content that infringes or violates someone else's rights. No. Posting content that violates our terms of use. No. So I didn't infringe any of these. I think it was a mistake. Or someone was reporting it. So what I did is says, if you believe your account was deactivated by mistake, please fill in this form request below. So that is the form request I went to. Let's see what happens if I click it now. So yeah, it's basically, again, just this page. You just got to fill it out. So I filled this out and I got this email. And again, thank you for contacting us. Another code, blah, blah, blah. And here is another photo of me for my account. Let me just see if I can zoom out again. So there's another photo of me, different little paper, but I think it was well lit. You could see it, everything. Anyway, let me just reset this. And then, yeah, I got this email, literally. So that was sent when? So that was sent March the 3rd, 8:49 a.m. And then, as you can see, March 3rd, a bit more than 12 hours later, 11:13 p.m. Your account has been reactivated and you should be able to access it now. We're sorry for the inconvenience. So that is how you pretty much get your Instagram account back. And I'm not guaranteeing this is going to work for you, but it's worked with 2 of my accounts. And I'm pretty sure both times it's been violating the terms of service. But I've been violating the terms of service, which is more of a discreet way. If you're posting like really violent or bad content to your Instagram page, that's a different case scenario. Also, these accounts have never had issues before because the account that the 3-letter username was moved to was a completely new, fresh account created on a brand new email. I think that was just someone reporting it inactive. But now I have my accounts back, and that is how you can potentially reactivate yours. Just go to the Instagram help center and then fill in this little form. Say that your account was deactivated, you don't know why, and hopefully they get back to you as soon as possible. So that is the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and help you guys out as much as possible. If you want to hear a story about how I got my 3-letter username, where I got it from, how much I paid, things like that, I think that could be a pretty interesting one. Let me know in the comment section down below. And again, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out.